You guys ready? All right. Are we good? All right. So my name is Wes, and I have Gail helping me at Electric Cowboy at 7 o'clock. We're doing the 7 o'clock workshop on Sunday, and we did this. We'll start over here. Okay? We started with something we call a, what do we call that? I forgot. Huh? Oh, not a shoot through. We call that a
Slingshot.
Slingshot. We call it a slingshot. 1, 2, 3, 4 across. Now we're going to rock her. We're going to go with her and rock her, and then let her go by us 5 and 6. Let's do it from the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Rock her from here. Go with her. Ring her. Double. Anchor. Cool. Thank you, baby. Thank you so much. Thank you guys very, very much. Take care of your bartender and your waitresses, please. And have a good time. And if you have any questions, see me or Jim. Thank you. Have a good night.